Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So the topic is describe an advertisement that you don't like. ऐसा विज्ञापन बताएं जो आपको पसंद नहीं है. You should say when did you see it? आपने इसे कब देखा? What it is about? ये किस बारे में है? Where you saw it? आपने इसे कहाँ देखा? How you came to know about it? इसके बारे में आपको कैसे पता चला? Why you didn't like it? आपको ये पसंद क्यों नहीं आया? So I am sharing two sample answers that will help you prepare for this cue card. Sample answer 1 is one advertisement that I particularly disliked was a skincare product commercial that I came across on social media a few months ago. I saw this ad while scrolling through Instagram where it popped up as a sponsored post. The advertisement was for a cream that claimed to make skin lighter in just a week. It featured a well known celebrity endorsing the product, highlighting how it could supposedly enhance one's appearance by achieving a fairer complexion. The reason I found this advertisement distasteful was primarily because of its message. It implied that fair skin is somehow better or more desirable than other skin tones. This narrative promotes a biased and superficial standard of beauty, which I believe is both outdated and damaging. Such advertisements can have a negative impact on people's self esteem, especially for those who might already feel insecure about their appearance. The idea that beauty is tied to skin color is not only incorrect but also socially irresponsible. Moreover, the ad was overly exaggerated with claims that seemed unrealistic and unscientific. It suggested that using the product would guarantee a transformation in just a week, which is not only misleading but potentially dangerous. I believe advertisements should promote authenticity and transparency, especially when it comes to products that directly affect one's health or appearance. Overall, this advertisement left me feeling frustrated and disappointed. It highlighted how certain brands still capitalize on harmful stereotypes to sell their products. Instead of promoting self acceptance and diversity, such ads tend to exploit insecurities. I hope that in the future, companies will focus on more positive and inclusive messages that celebrate all types of beauty. Another sample answer that you can prepare for this cue card is one advertisement that I found quite annoying was a car insurance commercial that I saw on television about 2 weeks ago. The ad was about a new insurance policy that claimed to offer the lowest rates in the market, promises huge savings for new customers. It aired during prime time, so I saw it rapidly while watching a popular TV show. What I disliked the most about this advertisement was its overly aggressive and pushy tone. The ad featured loud music, flashy visuals, and a spokesperson who kept shouting about the incredible discounts, urging viewers to call immediately for a limited time offer. The way the message was delivered felt very forceful, as if the viewers were being pressured into making a quick decision without considering other options. Additionally, the ad lacked transparency. While it made grand promises about saving money, it did not clearly explain the terms and conditions or the hidden fees that might be associated with the policy. Instead, the fine print was shown briefly at the bottom of the screen, making it difficult for viewers to fully understand the details. This lack of clarity made me skeptical about the authenticity of their claims. Overall, the advertisement came across as manipulative rather than informative. I believe that ads, especially those related to financial services, should focus on providing clear, honest information rather than using loud tactics to grab attention. This ad, however, seemed more interested in creating a sense of urgency rather than helping customer make informed decisions. It left a negative impression on me, and I certainly wouldn't consider using their services based on such a misleading and aggressive campaign. This is all about from my side. I hope these two sample answers help you prepare for this cue card. If you want any another story first, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.